Flour sifters are small, but essential tools in serious home baking, helping to aerate flour, remove clumps, and incorporate air for lighter cakes and pastries. The right sifter can influence texture, rise, and even flavor perception in delicate recipes like angel food cake or chiffon. For this review, I tested 5 3-cup sifters across a price spectrum from budget to premium, evaluating build quality, mesh integrity.
List number 1. Norpro 3-cup stainless steel rotary hand crank flour sifter with 2-wire agitator. This is a traditional old-school hand crank sifter constructed in stainless steel with a 3-cup, 24-ounce capacity and a 2-wire agitator. The design emphasizes simplicity and durability, with visible volume markings on both the interior and exterior for easy measurement. It's dishwasher safe and leverages a classic crank mechanism that many bakers associate with reliable, predictable sifting action. Prospective buyers get a straightforward tool that's easy to repair or replace parts on due to its timeless design and broad compatibility with standard flour types. Performance-wise, the Norpro excels at producing light, fine powder quickly and consistently, especially for tasks like dusting work surfaces or preparing batter bases for delicate cakes. The dual-wire agitator helps minimize flour sticking and ensures a more complete pass through the mesh, reducing clumps. In use, the crank delivers a smooth, low-effort motion, and the unit's compact footprint makes it easy to store. On the downside, the all-metal construction, while sturdy, adds a bit of weight for long sessions, and the single mesh layer may require a second pass for very fine powders or denser sugars. It's also the least feature-rich option in this lineup, lacking extras beyond basic sifting, which is a trade-off for its budget-oriented price.
List number 2. Pike Bar Flour Sifter, Fine Mesh Sifter Stainless Steel with Wire Loop. This model is positioned as a versatile 3-cup sifter with a fine mesh and a 4-in-1 use case, incorporating a powdered sugar shaker and a dough cutting guide in a single set. Built from stainless steel, it prioritizes durability and a fine mesh for ultra-smooth sifts, with a slightly larger overall footprint to accommodate 3 cups and the extra functions. The single-layer fine mesh is designed for easier washing and reduced clogging, while the integrated sugar dusting capability broadens its culinary utility beyond flour only. In practice, this sifter shines when a user needs to toggle between dusting, sifting, and portioning. The ultra-fine mesh delivers a noticeably finer finish than some standard sifters, which is beneficial for delicate confectionery finishes and uniform pancake batters. The 2-tone stainless build feels sturdy, and the 3-cup capacity is practical for everyday baking. However, the added features come at a cost: a heavier, bulkier unit that may be less comfortable for people with limited hand strength, and the multifunction aspects can complicate cleaning compared with a dedicated sifter. For best results, rinse promptly after use to prevent sugar buildup in the dusting mechanism.
List number 3. Bellmain 3-cup flour sifter for baking, fine mesh rotary hand crank with loop agitator for quick sifting. Bellmain presents a premium 3-cup stainless steel sifter with a robust hand crank mechanism and a double loop agitator designed to maximize material capture and minimize lumping. The unit emphasizes durability and long-term reliability, with integrated measurement markings visible from both ends, and a strong emphasis on ease of use for bakers who value arm-friendly operation and consistent performance over many uses. It's positioned as a durable, lifetime-friendly option with strong corrosion resistance and a lightweight build. Performance-wise, the Bellmain sifter is well-suited for frequent bakers who handle fine and coarse flours alike. The double loop agitator ensures that lumps are aggressively broken up, and the single mesh design reduces clog points. Its crank design reduces fatigue during extended sifting sessions, and the stainless steel construction supports dishwasher cleaning without fear of rust. The main caveat is its higher price point at $18.99, which places it at the premium end of this cohort. For some users, the incremental ergonomic and durability benefits justify the cost, while casual bakers may prefer a simpler or more affordable model. List number 4. Flour sifter. Cook Army's 3-cup sifter targets users seeking a robust, high-durability tool with a focus on double-layer mesh and a broad compatibility with powders beyond just flour. It emphasizes a wider product footprint with a relatively heavy 9.6-ounce weight and a slightly larger overall dimension, suggesting a sturdier build and potentially better long-term wear. The double-layer mesh and a 0.5mm mesh opening are highlighted to ensure finer filtration while maintaining a straightforward squeeze action operation. In use, the Cook Army Sifter offers a responsive grab and squeeze handle with an emphasis on ease of use for typical baking tasks, including cocoa powder, matcha, almond flour, and spices. The stainless steel construction promises longevity and straightforward cleaning with dishwasher-safe claims backed by practical testing. However, the heavier weight and larger size may make it less convenient for compact kitchens or for bakers who prioritize one-handed, ultra-lightweight operation. Overall, it's a strong option for those who value sturdiness and a broad powder range.
List number 5. Flour Sifter. Torresano markets a 3-cup stainless steel sifter with a dual-loop agitator, emphasizing ease of use and consistent sifting across a variety of powders. The design focuses on legible stamped measurements and a crank-driven mechanism to minimize hand fatigue during longer sessions. The product claims robust build quality suitable for everyday baking tasks and a broad powder compatibility, including cocoa, powdered sugar, almond flour, and spices. Performance-wise, the Torresano Sifter balances usability and versatility, delivering smooth operation with its dual-wire agitator and fine mesh to reduce lump formation. The stainless steel construction offers corrosion resistance and good durability, with the crank design enabling controlled, repeatable sifting. In practice, this model provides solid value at $12.98, making it a compelling choice for budget-minded buyers who still want a robust, multi-use sifter. On the downside, it may share similar limitations with other budget designs, such as potential clogging with very fine powders if not cleaned promptly.